Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will be sharing with you what a typical fall night routine looks like for me. So the first thing that I do once I get home is take off my jacket, I put my purse away, and I also take off my shoes. My puppy dogs are always waiting for me as soon as I get home as well. So once I get my shoes off, I will greet them and give them some love because they have missed me throughout the day. Once I've given my baby some love, I'm going to head into my room to take off my clothes from the day and put on my most comfiest robe that I own. I absolutely love this thing so much. The clothes that I wear during the day are not the most comfortable, so I always like to get changed into comfy clothes right when I get home. Once I get changed to my comfy robe, I'm going to light my favorite candle, which is spiced pumpkin. It smells so good. Next, I'm going to be whitening my teeth with my White with Style whitening kit. I have been using this for over a month now and I absolutely love it. It's super convenient. All you do is just grab the trays that come in the little package and they actually mold right to your mouth. All you have to do is boil some water, put them in your mouth, and they are completely molded. The first thing that it says to do is to brush your teeth, so that is what I'm doing here. And then I'm just going to be putting the whitening gel into the trays. You do not need very much of this. A little goes a long way, so definitely don't put a lot. Once I am done doing that, I'm going to put that into my mouth. You can cut down the trays if you want to, if they go too high in your gums. If the whitening gel does get on any of your gums, make sure to take the little Q-tips that they provide and wipe any excess off of your gums. You don't want that to be sitting on there while you whiten. So once I'm done with all of that, I'm just going to put in the trays and then put in the little light after I am done wiping off the excess off of my gums. If you use my discount code MollieNicoleXO, you can get this kit for $28. It retails for $269.99, so this is a huge, huge savings. We're gonna let this sit on for 30 minutes, and while I do that, I'm just going to head into my beauty room / office, and I'm going to be replying to comments and emails and all that jazz while I wait for my teeth to whiten. Make sure once you're done whitening your teeth to rinse your mouth out and also rinse out the trays in warm water and leave them in a dry place. Once I am done whitening my teeth, I'm going to head back into the bathroom and put my hair up into a messy bun, and then I'm going to take my makeup off. This is my favorite part of the day, you guys. I'm sure a lot of you guys can relate to this. Then I'm going to be using my Curology products, which I have been using for a few months now, and I absolutely love these products, you guys. They totally work, and I 100% stand by them. I've heard so many good things about this company, and I 100% can back that. The first product that I'm going to be using is the cleanser, which is very mild and gentle on the face, which I absolutely love, but it does a great job at getting all of the makeup and dirt off your face as well. If you have never heard of Curology, they are a personalized skincare line. So you go onto their website, you take a quiz, and you send in 3 selfies of your skin so that a Curology provider can actually look at your skin closely and know what ingredients to put into the bottle for you. This has worked wonders for my skin. I do not suffer from immense amount of acne, but I do have a few pimples every now and then. I do struggle with extreme dryness, and this moisturizer and the bottle that they actually curated for me has been doing wonders. So as you can see, this is the bottle that they actually made just for me. It has my name on it, and it has the 3 ingredients that my provider put inside of it. It actually has the provider's name on the bottle as well. So I'm going to pump a few pumps into my hand and put this onto my skin. On the back of that bottle, it does say to apply this only at night, so I don't apply it in the morning. But once I'm done rubbing that into my skin, I'm just going to be taking the moisturizer that comes in the little kit, and I'm going to be putting that right over the other moisturizer that I just put on. If you guys are interested in Curology, I would highly, highly recommend it for whatever skin problems you guys have. I will have a link in the description box down below if you guys are interested in purchasing or starting your free trial. Once I am done getting washed up, I'm going to start my bath, which again is one of my favorite things in this whole entire world. I always light a candle just to kind of set the mood, and I also love the smell of this candle. I am totally in Christmas mode, even though it's technically still fall. I'm burning the evergreen candle. I also used a bubble bar from Lush. These are my absolute favorite to use for baths. I love taking bubble baths so much. I am totally a kid at heart. I'm just going to lay here for about 20 to 30 minutes, and then it is time to get out. When I get out, I put my slippers on. These are my favorite slippers ever. They are from Victoria's Secret. If you guys got your hands on these, you know what I'm talking about. These slippers are amazing and so cute. Once I'm done in there, I'm just going to head back into my room with my puppy dogs and my little kitty cat. We're just gonna relax on my bed, watch some Netflix. I am watching How to Make a Murderer. This is season 2. I feel like I need to catch up again on season 1 because it was so long ago that I watched it. If you guys have watched that show, let me know in the comments down below. But that is going to complete my cozy fall night routine. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and make sure you're subscribed down below. I will also have the links to White with Style and Curology down below if you are interested in checking them out. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next one. Bye. Stay marvelous.